Doing another restoration. This is a Stanley number 5. I bought in an antique store in Illinois. Only cost about 18 bucks. It's in pretty decent shape. Just a couple of stripped screws. The iron needed plenty of work. The bevel was crooked, and the back was definitely not flat, and it needed a lot of work. The tote had some chips in the top of it, but it's purely cosmetic, nothing serious. Honestly, I'm not trying to make this thing look brand new. I'm just doing a little bit of rust removal, getting it functional. Oh, I broke my screwdriver there, if you're wondering. So, that's a thing. But generally, just trying to get this thing working and where it can take a shaving. The hardest part about this was flattening the back of the iron and getting the bevel straight again. There was a crack in the side there, but really nothing serious. I don't think it would detract from the functionality of the plane. But this took the longest time. Just getting the back flat and getting that bevel rehabbed took forever. It took at least an hour to get everything straight again. But in the end, took a shaving, and it works.